Yeah, Deanie and Mike. So tonight, the University of Utah Hospital is still not taking in any emergency patients because of that outage. And it all came down to what happened inside that server room downtown that caused it to completely shut down. It's hard to tell from the outside, but inside this hospital, everything is pen and paper. They're diverting people away.
We're not going to be accepting any emergent cases for the moment.
Because at around 3 p.m.
So both U of U Health and University of Utah started to notice that communication systems were not working.
The University of Utah says a downtown server went into automatic shutdown. Employees were adjusting humidity in the room to account for the extra humidity outside, and it became too much for the servers to handle, causing server outages across campus, the hospital, even UTA Trax and Frontrunner station signs and the Safe UT app were affected because they use those same servers. This shows all of the services across campus disrupted in red, things like email and students accessing Canvas. The IT team initiated a total restart, but several hours later, the servers were still down. At the hospital,
ambulances and emergency crews are not going to be coming in until this issue is resolved.
Not only did they divert all emergency cases to other area hospitals, all doctors and nurses here had to revert back to keeping track of everything by hand with no computer access, which takes longer, they say, but didn't disrupt any patient care.
This is something that we plan for and that we practice for. It sounds big and it sounds catastrophic, but I just think it's important to remember this is the way that we used to work all the time. So we're ready for when this happens.
Yeah, so tonight the Safe UT app is back up and running for anyone who needs to access that. All UTA and Frontrunner stations are also back to normal. Unfortunately, the hospital at last update, the IT team is still trying to get that back online. So the doctors and nurses are still having to use ye old pen and paper system to keep track of everything. Deanie and Mike.